take this hose off of here. Front brake hose on the passenger side. There's a clip back here that you have to take off. Right there. It's a clip. And this whole thing will come out. Then you gotta put a wrench on here. And a wrench on this side. And unscrew it. Got a 3/8 for the inside brake line. It's a brake line wrench. And a 5/8. So when you squeeze these, it loosens it up. Backside's loose now. Okay, there's the clip. The hose should just come right out. So that's like that. This clip just goes on like this. So the frame is in between here. Push it back up over. And thread the brake line back in. Okay, I've got the brake line in there now. Really couldn't film it very well. But all I did was had the brake line itself pushed back and on the other side of the frame so that I could put the hose through the frame and then pound the clip back on. It goes into a groove there. And then I brought the brake line back through, screwed it in. And the line only goes on one way. It's got 4 flat sides. And the side on the front side is just a curve. So it only fits in the hole one way, so you really don't need a wrench on this side, but I put one on here anyway. Instead of relying on the cutout in the bracket here, I used the wrench on here to tighten it up. Turn this side. So we don't have any rust here. This is a 1997. The brake line looks almost like brand new. There's the hose. So I just got to do that on the other side too. That side might be a little harder because it's got 2 lines going into it, I think. Okay, this brake line on the driver's side is different. So it looks pretty much the same. This side, you've got 2 brake lines coming into it. One that comes into the side here. One comes in through the back like the passenger side. So you could take this clip off. Well, I'll break the lines loose first. This one here and this one. Take the clip off. Pull this out. Put the new one back in. And put the clip on, tighten up, put the back line on, and this line here on. We'll see how that goes. The other side went good. Okay, let's see if we can get this one off. I've got my 7/16. I think that's what it is. 7/16 screwdriver hammer. That one. one on the back side. Come right off too. As soon as it comes loose, I just take it off my fingers. Get that one bent out of the way for a while. Stay there. It's still a little tight. Comes right out.